In previous class, we learned a lot about capital letters. We learned skills, how you can improve your capital letters. But this class is very important because this is the second step, and we will learn how to write small letters. So, have you done the previous homeworks, or
Yes, sir.
how's your
Yes.
practicing going on?
Nice. Nice.
Is it going well? What was your
Yes, sir.
condition, Anjum brother?
Hmm.
Okay, can I start the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is second number step and we learn how to write small letters. So first letters is A, and in previous class I told you to write perfectly O because O is a very important letter. So look how to write small letters. So first letters is A, and now please confirm me my screen is clear or not.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. The first letters is A and you have to write like this. So first it's a lower, it's a middle case letter, sorry. So you need to write in the middle case, in the middle part of this whole line. Okay, so this is the A, and this is the advanced level A. So how to write? Well, so first what you have to do, you need to write the first thing, you need to write, then you need to add another thing, and that is look like this. So please look on my hand, look at my hand, and look how I write. This is a simple thing. So first thing you have to do, you just need to write like this, and then you have to just connect one thing more. In this part, you have to just connect this thing. Then you can write easily A. It's the small letters, and definitely you have to write in the middle part of this whole line. The first thing you have to do, and then in this part you just add this type of thing. Then you can write easily A. I'll try to show you again. Well, I try a
Bit
lot more
hard.
A, so please try online. I try to close this camera. Please look at this paper and write like this. You need to connect this line. You just need to connect. Don't try to gap with this line. Try to add and connect this line. Exactly, this is the first step. Then please close this line. Yes, exactly, exactly. That looks good. Keep trying. I hope you can write better.
It's quite hard.
Yeah, it's advanced levels, yay. So it's pretty hard, but when you practice more, I think it's very easy. I try to show you another way to write A, but this is the perfect and this is the original of A. So if you use this in your handwriting, so I think it looks good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I also share with you the well. Yeah, that looks good, and I think you can improve more when you practice more. Though the structures is perfect, but I just suggest you not to do that. Look, this is the first thing. You need to write like this, but when you do this, it's not look good. You need to write like this, but when you do these angles in these positions, it's not looks good. You need to write like this. So this step you need to just close here.
Okay, sir.
Don't try to loop more. Don't try to write like this. Don't write. Just slightly close here.